Hi Leo, this is your next 10 days reading plus your career situation. I'm going to look at the expected and the unexpected situations that are going to crop up in your next coming days, and what's going to be your action, what is going to be unexpectedly happening in this time period. I'm going to talk about that. So, your environment is showing Four of Cups. Something is making you apathetic towards a situation, or Four of Cups, and also clarified by the Four of Pentacles, is telling me that you want to keep a status quo. You want to protect something in this time period, and you are wanting to be a you have this conservation energy. You want to be also conservative in this time. So basically, even if you are feeling a sense of spirit coming back to you, you are not showing, you are not becoming very enthusiastic about things. This is the influence around you. This could be in your love life. You could be restraining your love, or your passion, to keep your Four of Pentacles. So Four of Pentacles is trying to keep the family together, trying to keep the relationship in a certain course, trying to keep your job, trying to keep your money. So even if you are inspired to take some action, you are not taking action in this time. You could be passing opportunity in this time period, or not seeing the blessing, or the some of you are feeling a little sad about things. So with the strength energy, however, you are going to bounce back. You are going to bounce back. But strength always shows that there is underlying energy is struggle. So there is some struggle. You are going through some struggle, whether it is your health, whether it is your um, emotional situation, whether it is your job. You are going through some struggle. But let me tell you, uh, in terms of your wealth, in terms of your resources, in terms of your job, you are accomplishing something with the Three of Pentacles, and you have enough money, and your 10th house energy is of Taurus. So and your second house energy is of Virgo. So both are so second house is resource, and 10th house is about your job, career. So basically, with the King of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles, it's showing that you are practical in job matters. You are also practical in terms of your resources. So you are very stable, and you don't need to be scared or afraid of things. With the Three of Pentacles, you could be a team player as well. But the Strength card, which is also showing your energy, the Leo energy in this time period is a bit restrained. It is not going to take that wand in their hand and move forward. So you are going to show your patience, but with courage. So this is the energy I'm seeing initially in the next 10 days period. But very soon, unexpectedly, you are going to take some action regarding a situation. You could be moving towards a new beginning with the Two of Cups. So you could be showing, you could be making advance towards a person. You could be talking to them. You could be establishing a new contact. You could be associating with a new person. That is what I am seeing. But in this time period, however, this is not fructifying. You will make up your mind in the near future about this, but in this time period something will be ending unexpectedly. So this could be an ending of feeling of betrayal with someone, and also a great ending has already taken place. So this ending will be complete. This ending will be complete with the death card. So a transformation of some sort will happen, which will take you to a period of healing unexpectedly, and total and complete ending of a situation will happen in your life. And with the Three of Wands, you will again start hoping for a better future, again start hoping for a thing that you were looking for. So the influence of Four of Cups tells us that the hope goes away and you are hopeless in situation, and try to keep with the Four of Pentacles, 4 and 4 energy. You try to get by, you try to keep balance without showing much enthusiasm. But very soon this enthusiasm is going to come back with the Three of Wands, and confidence will be shown in situations. However, you need some rest in this time period, so you got to figure out what you need to do, because the future is showing Two of Cups and the Fool. So Two of Cups and the Fool coming in future tells us that whatever you are trying to avoid, whatever is making you hopeless, the strength in you, the innate strength, the resilience, the patience, and the courage that you have will take you forward. It will take you towards a breakthrough. So in terms of your job, money, career, finance, you might have gone through some kind of Five of Pentacles situation, feeling ignored, number one, or feeling misery in terms of money or finances, feeling that I don't have enough. That's the kind of feeling. Some of you could be feeling that I am less on talent, or I am not being able to attract energies towards me in my work. I am not able to accomplish. So there could be a toxic situation or a situation that is chronic around you. Some of you could be having a bad habit that is impacting your career, but I'm not so sure it is that the devil is there. So it could be, you want something which is much more than what you can achieve. So some of you need to let go of a situation in this time period. So a surrender is required in a situation that could be troubling you. So leaving it behind is the best solution. With the Six of Swords, you will move towards a better peaceful situation in terms of your career. With the Chariot and Ace of Cups, what is coming to you in the near future is your focus and your determination will take you towards new feelings in terms of your career. You will understand yourself worth. Some of you will use your talents to achieve something in your job situation. So a new feeling of enthusiasm will come back to you, and you will be moving to a course of determination. Some of you will be traveling, some of you will be making an advance with the Chariot and the Ace of Cups. So a situation that seemed as if will go on and on and on is going to see a breakthrough in terms of your career. So sudden wealth situation could be coming in for some of you. There could be a marriage in a situation unexpectedly, an association with someone who is very committed. A male female could be coming in your life at this time. So or you could be the main female who could be moving towards sudden wealth and a marriage situation or an engagement situation. So some of you are dealing with a marriage situation or a couple crisis that will get sorted in this period. So your outcome is the Eight of Swords and the World card. So Eight of Swords and the World card is a great big change, a watershed situation, a total relocation, a total ending, and a change of chapter is happening in your life. So you are moving towards a new situation gradually, and however you are very tense about it. You could be doubting your own energy, you could be fearful, but you are moving towards a new situation, Leo, and you will see much improvement in your present situation with the Page of Cups. Someone could be coming in towards you with love, or you could be getting new love, you could be getting feelings of youthfulness, your wishes can come true, a new opportunity could be coming in. Do not be in this fearful or self-doubt energy in this time period, because your chapter is going to be a new one. The old one which was trending is going to change. So you need to make plans with the Shield Maiden card. Your advice is you need to make plans and focus. You need to make plans and focus with the Shield Maiden card, and you got to have your weapons in your hand so that when it is required you have to take action rather than being apathetic to your situation. Stag energy is asking you to be it's asking you to trust and thrive. So trust your situation, trust that divine energies will be supporting you. They always support us. You just have to live, you just have to live and trust the whole situation, trust the process. The shapeshifter energy is also coming to you, Leo. It is saying that transform and unveil your gifts. So gifts means your talents. So unveil those talents in this time period. If you have to go towards a new profession, if you have to show love to someone, empathy to someone, this is not the time to restrain your energies, but mix around with them and find your middle path with someone. So in terms of love, in terms of work, you need to mellow down, you need to be flexible, and you need to find your new talent. With the snake energy, it is asking you to shed your old skin. So transformation is absolutely necessary, and it is happening in your life. Do not be scared of your renewal. So do not be scared of your renewal. Shed your old skin in this time period. So unexpected energies of healing, unexpected energies of sudden wealth, and unexpected energy of entry of a female in your life could be happening in this time period. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked, and pre-slotted. So decide and then contact me through the email ID in the description box, and keep watching this space. This is Tarot Priestess 1313. This is free. I keep posting your readings periodically, so you will find your readings here which are available to everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.